Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bitget, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open your Bitget app and go to the Assets section. Step 2. Tap Deposit, then choose USDT. Select the network you want to use, for example TRC20 or ERC20, and copy the wallet address shown. Step 3. Now open the Binance app, log in, and go to Wallet, then Spot. Step 4. Tap on USDT, then hit Withdraw. Step 5. Paste the Bitget wallet address you copied earlier. Step 6. Choose the same network, e.g. TRC20, to avoid errors and extra fees. Step 7. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, then tap Withdraw. Step 8. Complete the security verification when prompted. This usually includes email, SMS, and authenticator codes. Step 9. Wait a few minutes for the transfer to complete. You'll get a confirmation when it arrives in your Bitget account. And that's it. You've successfully moved your USDT from Binance to Bitget. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful crypto tutorials.